Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Pisces Water Sign. This is March weekly reading and this is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Pisces Water Sign. What are the messages for you? Pisces, what are the messages for you and what's going on? Three of Wands under the deck and Queen of Pentacles. You more concentrating on your career, finances, and one person in this connection is very caring and giving person. So Three of Wands, you are waiting for someone or something. Maybe you turn your back from your person but still waiting for some. Could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. And the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, especially fire sign. So let's see our reading. Recent past, 9 of Cups, King of Pentacles and 4 of Cups. So I think you have everything, but you are feeling sad. You are feeling missed opportunity with your person. I think you are feeling sad for something. I think you are in no contact situation with your person. For some, there is separation also. That's why you are feeling sad. But you have everything. You have money and your wishes are going to be granted. Your wishes for some already granted. There is wish fulfillment, especially in career and finances. But there is, I think you are not in with your person. That's why you are feeling missed opportunity, missing them. Then present 7 of Pentacles, Queen of Swords and Knight of Cups. So you are waiting for them. Definitely there is some waiting period is here. 7 of Pentacles. You are waiting for them message, for them call, whatever. So yeah, they're coming back because someone is coming back to you. Maybe for some it could be a past person, for some a new person, depends on your situation. But some love is coming towards you and they have so much love for you to offer. And Queen of Swords, I think in these recent times you are become more logical and you are thinking through your logical mind and you stand by your power and you achieve this balance. And there is some communication with clarity is also coming. And future 9 of Pentacles, the Tower and the Sun. So you will achieve financial stability. You will be in this energy in near future, Pisces. There is abundance, freedom. But there is also some struggle. Tower moment is here. But this is only for good because after that the Sun is here. Definitely there is some positive happiness is coming. Positive things are coming towards you. For some children also involved in this connection. There is happiness is coming towards you, Pisces, but after this Tower moment. So the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Earth sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Water sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's see your person feelings and actions towards you. Then we'll get more clarity. Again, Knight of Cups. So yeah, I think it's your past person. They are coming back with a lot of love. So Pisces, let's see your person feelings towards you. Six of Cups, they're thinking about you a lot. Pisces, your person feelings towards you. Right now, you both are in no contact situation. For sure. Strength. Right now, your person also focusing on their strength, focusing on their inner self. Because 4 of Swords, they want to heal their self. Because your person maybe have some past hurts. So 4 of Swords energy, they want to heal their self. But they're thinking about you a lot. They're missing you. Because 4 of Swords doing meditation. But 9 of Swords again missing you. Thinking about you a lot. but they have high hopes on you about this relationship because the star and the person involved in this connection could be Aquarius or Leo. So let's see their actions towards you, Pisces. Your person actions towards you. Again, King of Cups. Wow. I think they want reconciliation with you. They're thinking about you. They're missing you so much. They want this happiness with you. They really have so much love for you, Pisces, for sure. Because King of Cups, Knight of Cups 2 times, and 4 of Wands. For some, you both could be soulmates, not about twin flames, because a lot of soulmate connection is here. You both have past life and soulmate connection with each other. And they want reconciliation with you, and they're thinking about you a lot. And they want this happiness with you. Again, Chariot, yes, they want to take things very slowly but surely. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, especially Cancer. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Ace of Cups, yeah. So they have so much love for you. Maybe your person is juggling to, maybe they want to express their feelings, but again they're holding back. But in near future, they will express their feelings to you. Because right now your person is in meditation state. That's why they are holding back. The juggling. Again, the star. I think you're also wishing for the same, Pisces. And you stand by your power. For some, one person in this connection could be pregnant, and you're also thinking about them a lot. And this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states, Pisces. Wow, there is love between both of you. Love is overflowing towards each other. You both maybe in separation, maybe no contact, but you both are thinking about each other. You both are missing each other, and you both are loving each other no matter what. Yeah, definitely waiting period. You both are in separation. So let's see your overall energy for the week, Pisces. Maybe you're also undergoing some spiritual awakening, and the person involved in this connection could be Virgo. And yeah, you're feeling stuck without your person, and you're feeling overburdened due to family and work pressure, and Ace of Pentacles. So there is stability in finances is coming, and you want commitment in the connection. So let's see your person overall energy. Judgment, they are going to be make some major decision regarding this connection. 7 of Swords, Queen of Swords, and 8 of Wands. There is communication is coming, lots of communication. Maybe in past they lied to you, cheated on you. There is something sneaky in this connection, but they want to rectify those, and they want to express the true feelings with you. They want to be honest with you, and this time they want to be straightforwarded also. Yeah. So let's see some messages from your person. And I want to be honest with you. Wow. You are pure perfection. I'm afraid to tell you how I feel. Holding back. And age difference. For some, and reconciliation. For some, age difference is also there between both of you. So they want to be honest with you, and they're feeling that you are pure perfection, and they're afraid to tell you how they feel. And for some, they're holding back right now. Not completely right now, they're holding back. And for some, there could be age difference between both of you. So let's see some messages for you from Moon Oracle deck, Pisces. A new romantic cycle begins, especially when new moon in Libra. So definitely there is reconciliation and new romantic cycle will begin between both of you. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.